Okay, hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own AI for free to generate text to speak. And we're gonna use ChatGPT and Google Collabs. Now I'm search GPT 3.5. Click here. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a code for me and run it in Google Collab. Okay, now start. Right. To generate text to speech. Collabs. Okay, guys. Now here's the code. And then I'm gonna go to Google Collab. Google Collab. You can say like this. Okay. Here's Google Collab. And create new notebook. Wait, okay, here. Rename text to speech. And then copy the code from ChatGPT. Copy, paste it here. Run it, add another code here. Paste, Control A, run it. Okay, guys, this is the text. You can change this text. I'm gonna show you.
Hello, this is a text-to-speech conversion example using Google Colab.
Here's the result and download. It's download for me here. Here is the audio that.
Hello, this is a text-to-speech conversion example using Google Colab.
I'm not sure that you can hear the audio or not, but I hear it. Okay, it's and you can save as an audio file here. This one is saved automatically here. This code is saved first. Okay, now I'm gonna suggest you to write me stories about a new in the shadows. Okay, now GPT write as well. Okay, guys, I want to tell you that you cannot copy all like this because it have interspace. You can't put it to collab like that. You can copy it like this. I'm gonna show you and paste it here. Okay, and then you can paste another paragraph. Copy and paste it like this. Okay, and copy. Okay, guys, you can generate a long story, I can say. Now I'm showing you. You can generate paste. You can generate the whole story, but you need to do like this, okay? If you copy all the story like this, it's gonna have an errors. You need to copy this. Control C copy and Control V pass here. And select Control C copy, Control V first, and okay. Copy. Okay, now the whole story is here. And okay, let's run.
Deep within the heart of the lush.
Okay, guys, you can see here it's 3 minutes and 41 seconds. And you can also download as an audio file. And or you can run this one and automatically download. Okay, it's download.
Deep within the heart of the lush. Emerald jungle.
Okay, guys, it's so good. And it's free. You can use it for free. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment or share this video to have me. It is my first video for the channel, and I'm gonna have um, a new thing that to share with you. A lot of things I want to share with you. So that don't forget to subscribe, guys. And thank you. Bye bye.